Luxurious country living, 1.85 acres, in this 2-story custom craftsman style home with its very own indoor basketball court. Over 5,000 square feet, this home was a showstopper in the 2014 Parade of Homes, and the floor plan has never been duplicated. This magnificent home is warm and inviting with superior craftsmanship throughout, offering you endless beauty with natural cherry woodwork, hickory flooring, granite, fireplaces, custom lighting and more. See full list. There is a whole house audio system, indoor and out, security, lighting controls, geothermal, etc. The yard is a nature lover's paradise surrounded by gorgeous mature trees. A cozy front porch with surround sound, cedar ceiling leads you into the formal living room with a brick fireplace surrounded by beautiful custom natural cherry built-in bookcases. You'll love the gourmet state-of-the-art kitchen that is designed to excite the chef in you. Offering 2 unique workspaces, a large island with stunning peacock granite to dine at, butler pantry, double steam oven, induction cooktop, prep sink, wine fridge and more. The dining room walks out to your oversized maintenance-free deck. Also on the main level is another living room overlooking gorgeous private backyard with a beautiful coffered ceiling and second gas fireplace. There is an executive office with wainscoted walls, a mail/coat locker area and a bath right off the garage entrance. Head upstairs to your beautiful master suite west/custom 2-person steam shower, double sinks, heated floor, custom closet and more. 2 more large bedrooms up with shareable full bathroom and a cozy loft area. Downstairs will dazzle you as you enjoy the heated floor, your custom cherry bar area, theater room with 120 screen, exercise room with 5-person sauna, the spectacular basketball court, 1 more bedroom and bath. You will never want to leave. The heated garage offers 1,660 square feet, 4 stalls, epoxy floor and massive storage.